Hey everyone, just wanted to show you how I was able to work with a company, auto insurance company. I had this opportunity where they had a previous marketing company who came in, didn't get them any results. And so I was recommended, came in and did my best. And so we were able to get them over 400 leads for less than $7 a piece. And what I want to get into is the offer they use, the offer I use, and an offer you can use so that you can start generating leads for yourself if you're auto insurance company, or if you're a marketer and you're looking for some ideas. I think this will really help you. Let's get right into it. All right, so this was their offer. They wanted to do a giveaway. Whoever decided to get a quote and then sign up, they were going to give them Disney Plus for I forgot how long. And so I really didn't want to do this because I feel like this is cheating. Now, as a marketer, I have to tell you that you really should do whatever is going to work, right? But I just feel like people who do giveaways aren't real marketers, right? I feel like anybody can do a giveaway and get leads. It's the person who comes up with a way to present a certain offer is the one who's like a better marketer, or like a real marketer, if you will. And I make no apologies for that. It's just how I feel. However, it's not really necessarily true, right? Because as long as you're getting results and closing sales, what matters? So this is something that they did. This is something I did. So I focused my words around savings, about what people were doing with the money they were saving, what people were buying with the money they were saving. And you better believe that got the phones ringing. And so it's always beautiful when you're sitting there in your office and the phones are ringing off the hook and you're like, man, this is going to be a great day. I remember those days. And so here's something they could have done. Now, it depends on you. I'm kind of an aggressive marketer. So I would put out a picture like this and create an awareness campaign. Is your family prepared for unseen, or some circumstances that may catch you off guard? And so this is something that I would use, and I would create an awareness that if you don't have something, you should, and here's why, and have the phones ringing that way. And that's a little bit more of an emotional based sale, which really can hit people where it hurts and tug on their heartstrings, which is sometimes what you have to do as a marketer. And really, to me, insurance people are like saving the world, right? Like these people who go out here with no insurance, and I know certain people are in a different stage in their life where they can or can't afford something, but if you can afford insurance and you don't have it, especially car insurance, then these people to me are out there saving the world, because when things happen, somebody has to have money to recover whatever is lost. And so these are the things that we did. I really hope this helps. That's all I got for you today. Not going to prolong the video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later.